Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the AOC C32G1 31.5 inch curved frameless gaming monitor with a resolution of 1920 by 1080p. It has a 1 milliseconds MPRT, and that's the huge thing. It has 144 Hz screen refreshing rate. That's really impressive. So when we open the box, we see a little bit of instruction on the top. That's not so much. There's another small booklet inside, but not much. Actually, there's not much instruction needed. I mean, it's a gaming monitor. But it's possible. If you can't do it yourself, just ask for somebody to help. It's not worth to break this really nice gaming monitor. So for us, at the end, it worked really the best when we did it with two persons, and each person was holding the cardboard with one hand and the styrofoam holding with the other hand. So here we can see the whole content of the box. The stand is in two pieces, like usually this is the case: the power cable and two monitor cables. So one is an HDMI cable and one is a DP, means display port cable, so you can choose what you want. I cannot give any recommendation on that. Probably most people will recommend DP, but both adapters should be able to display maximum resolution and maximum refresh rate. So as you can see, it's a really beautiful screen, nicely curved and really thin frame. I mean, it's called, I think, borderless. It has really a small border, if any. I mean, of course, it has to have one, but it's really small. Here we see the adapters, 2 times HDMI, 1 DP, and the VGA and the power. So here you can see everything what you get, and the good thing is with this stand, the base of the stand has some kind of flap or a handle, so you don't need a screwdriver. So to attach the stand, I would recommend to leave the foot on the side and just start with the upper part and just push it up and in, and then at the end of the handle you have to push down. Don't push down with the finger on the plate, push down at this handle or at the end of this stand. You have much more power. And don't be afraid to push really hard down. You have to hear some kind of clicking sound, otherwise it's not locked in. So here again, to make sure that you make it right, here is how you make it wrong. It's not enough to just push down the plate here, so you have to push down at the end of the handle, or I mean at the end of the stand, to fully secure it. And only after you have secured the upper part of the stand to the monitor, I recommend to attach the foot. And you really don't need a screwdriver. You can do it really easy with this flap. Here you can see the release mechanism of the stand in detail. Works really good. My Samsung monitors don't have this. I really appreciate that. To release the stand from the screen, you have to push down the button underneath this plate, and then you can easily remove it. Here again, all the facts of the monitor on a sticker, which you of course can remove. And here you can see the buttons at the monitor, which are placed at the button, I mean on the underside of the monitor. And here you can see as well that there is some imprint at the outside of the monitor. It's a little bit hard to see, but when you get close, you can see where the location of each button is. So here is when the screen came up for the first time, but of course it's still 60 Hertz. So I'm trying now a little bit around to show you how the difference can look. But first I'm going to show you the menus. So you can see it's really nice. It's not a really simple menu. It is really fancy, advanced menus. When you push the button underneath, that is really awesome. So here's the cursor, how it looks with 60 Hertz. And after that I'm going to show you how it looks with 144 Hz, but I don't know if you can see the difference because YouTube obviously is not displaying 144 Hz, but maybe you can still see a difference. I've been recording with 240 Hz with the GoPro, but I'm not sure if you can see the difference. I mean, in nature, you can easily see the difference. There's a huge difference regarding a lot of things, and especially the cursor, when you move it around really fast, you can see the difference. So here we have another test with Minecraft, and the old version means only 60 frames per second. As you can see, especially the red things in the background, they have a lot of artifacts and look washed out and blurred and whatsoever. So I have been recording this version with 60 frames per second, and then the next one with 144 Hz per second with the GoPro with 240 frames per second. So I hope we can really see the difference after that. So here same thing, but with 144 Hz. And as you can see in the slow motion, the quality of the things in the background are much better. So there's definitely way less artifacts, less blurring, less whatsoever. So the quality is definitely way better with this screen in 144 frames per second than with the normal monitor with 60 Hz. So the bottom line of this unboxing, assembly and quick review is that I'm really happy with this. It looks like everything is really good. I mean, it's quite easy to assemble, it was easy to connect, setup was easy. It looks sturdy, looks good, picture is really good, and I mean, I really like the stand with this super easy release button mechanism, which is way better than what I have seen from Samsung. It can be a real problem. And I also like that the transformer is built into the screen, so you don't need to have a separate power adapter outside. That helps as well to keep everything tidy and clean. And by the way, the monitor works from 100 to 240 volts, so it should work for all places all over the world. So definitely absolutely no complaints, and I'm super happy with that. And yeah, I'll definitely put down the link to buy that on Amazon into the description, so you can order it right from here. And absolutely no disadvantages for you, and it helps me to keep my channel growing. And yeah, I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.